All right, people, let's talk about it. Let's have a look at the LETWESAF radar motion alarm system. Now, right off the bat, guys, for me, this is great. Running and gunning, fishing, great for camping. But enough of me talking. Let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to give you a demonstration on the fish ditch on exactly how it works and how I use it, the applications that I think would be best for my audience. And I'm going to come back in a little bit and give you my pros and cons. Let's get. All right, people, let's go ahead and take a look and see what is inside of the box. Now, one of the things I want to talk about during the unboxing is the quality of the build, guys. As you going to see, it have USB fast C charging. It comes with this manual. It tells you exactly how to pair it. It tells you how to change from the different receivers. It gives you all the information you need from mounting to adjusting the distance, guys. You can find that in the user manual. And of course, you're going to get your mounting options, the USB-C charger wire that I was talking about. Now here's why it really shines in my eyes. First of all, there's no network required. So you're not going to have to get with a cell phone company and pay for a SIM card or try to figure out how to power it out in the woods, guys. The great thing, no network needed, no external supply, just recharge it and go. All right, guys, so whether you're fishing, whether you're camping, or whether you're at home, guys, this is a great device for you to have. Let's see it in action, and then I'll tell you what I thought about it at the end. One of the things about being outdoors is taking responsibility for yourself, guys. One of the things about me, whenever I'm going to secluded spots, I want to make sure that I get home to my family. So if you see me, guys, I'm always going to have my little knife, whatever conceal I'm carrying for that day. Defensive purposes, protection purposes. The more you can have at your disposal to get back home, the better. So things like weapons, guns, and knives is a plus. But guys, those things are useless if someone else have a gun and they have a knife and they get to jump on you. And this is why this device is also important, because it gives you enough time to react. It covers all of my blind spots because I do a lot of this stuff by myself. I don't have to worry about no internet. I don't have to worry about any app. Just set it and forget it. Walk around and then listen for this. Let's do a range test. It's up there. So absolutely wonderful, great for camping, guys. In my case, great for fishing. What I'm going to do is when we go night fishing and we set up the tent, I want to set that up sometime this month, guys, and just have that out there. Don't have to worry about any internet. Don't have to worry about setting up any apps. Everything is done right directly on the device. You can set how far you want it to read or how close you want it to read, dial it in or dial it back. I'm gonna have all of the information in the description, guys. Go ahead and check it out, including the unboxing to give more detail. Right off the bat, you should know now the difference between radar and infrared. Radar detection is way more accurate, and that's what you want. You want accuracy, especially when you out in the wild, right? When you out in nature and you're trying to sleep or you're trying to focus on fishing, you don't want those false alarms. So it's more accurate. I love that you can adjust the footage, right? How far it detects. I love that fact. I love that you don't need any internet. All right, no internet, no fancy setups with apps or whatever. Literally, my grandmother can use this. Okay, you can just set this up, guys, anywhere you want, and you're going to get that notification. Now, what are some of the cons? Well, one of the cons is that if you want a larger parameter, you have to buy more detectors. Okay. And also the price, guys. Also the price. A lot of people be detoured by the price. However, if you are an outdoors person such as myself, when I look at my fishing equipment, guys, hundreds and hundreds of dollars on rods and wheels. When I'm looking at my camping equipment, hundreds and thousands of dollars on just camping equipment. As you seen in the video, when I go out there, guys, when I'm going hunting, fishing, or camping, I'm trying to get back home to my family. And I can have my knife, I can have my weapons, I can have my AR. It doesn't matter if you have a weapon. If someone or something get the drop on you, you left defenseless, guys. However, this right here, guys, this will come in handy. It'll give you plenty of time to be alerted. And when you think about it, no subscription fees, because guess what? If I had to set a camera out, I would have to have internet, so I would have to power it either by solar or by some other type of apparatus, or I would have to have, and I also have to have like some type of internet, whether I'm beaming it from something or I'm using like a paid subscription through a telephone service using a mobile SIM card into the camera, and that's a monthly fee. So that's going to add up and add up. This right here, you can mount it in many places, and for me, I don't even mount it. I just use it to run and gun because it's so easy to set up and take down. So guys, go ahead and have a look at it. Make sure that you return home safely for your adventures. Until next time, it's your boy. Peace.